6 times 9, x times 4. I have numbers on both sides of the equal sign. I'm going to have to let 4 break away from this x and jump over the wall. This is a multiplication symbol when there's a letter attached to a number. So I can reverse this through the identity property by dividing by 4. So dividing is the opposite of multiplication, and my 4 is divided, I'm dividing by the 4 to get rid of it. Over here, I have to just copy exactly what I did here, has to be copied. X is equal to 4 divides into 5 one time with 1 left over. 4 divides into 14 3 times with 2 left over. That's a remainder, so I'm going to put it as a fraction. And now I can reduce this fraction because there are 2 even numbers, so 2 divides into that. 13 and 1/2 is equal to x. So in this position right here, 13.5 would go because we solved for the x. And that's what makes this proportion a proportion, because we have equal ratios. 96 times 1 is 96 equals 8x. Numbers on both sides of the wall. I'm going to remove the 8 to the other side by dividing by itself. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. This cancels it out. That's why we did it. It neutralized it. I'm dropping down the x. We have 1x. 8 divided by 8 is 1, and that's what we're showing here. We have 1x is equal to 8 divides into 9 one time with 1 left over. 8 divides into 16, 12. If I were to put this back into the x position, I would have 96 twelfths is the same as 8 over 1. 96. 8 times 2 is 16. Carry 1. 8 times 1 is 8, and 1 more is 9.